Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Lens inside the Google app or Google Photos. Make sure camera and storage permissions are enabled so Lens can analyze content. Hold the phone steady and position the item in the center of the viewfinder. Text should fill about half the frame for accuracy. Once done, tap the shutter or use the live selection tool to capture. This begins text recognition and object matching. Make sure to avoid glare and heavy shadows, so Lens reads characters clearly. After capture, you tap the highlighted areas to refine selection. This tells Lens which words or objects matter most. Use text mode to copy or translate sentences, and drag the selection handles to include only the question or relevant lines. Then, choose the search action to pull up web results, definitions, and step-by-step solutions. If multiple matches appear, swipe through suggestions and use the similar or shopping tabs to narrow results. This helps you find the most authoritative answer quickly. You finish by verifying the top results. Open the original source links and compare answers to ensure accuracy, since Lens aggregates multiple sources. If text is misread, retake the photo with brighter, even lighting and a tighter crop, and make sure handwriting is legible. If Lens stops responding or gives no matches, clear the app cache or reinstall the Google app. Alternatively, switch to the dedicated Google Camera or Photos app to capture and import the image. This often resolves persistent recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.